If you spend the most time in the living room, these best plants behind the couch ideas are what you need to transform the space and add a touch of nature. A trio of peace lilies. These beautiful peace lilies make this one of the best plants behind the couch idea, with excellent green foliage and very little maintenance. Massive dark planters. These massive dark planters can uplift any home with their touch of elegance and dark colors. Different plants behind a long couch. Different plants are a great choice for adding a tropical and luscious vibe to the home and make one of the best plants behind the couch ideas. Fiddle-leaf fig and succulent pots. Here is a beautiful plant idea behind the couch with small pots full of succulents and a huge fiddle-leaf fig in a white planter on a wooden plant stand. Small pot with hanging vines. Adorn the space with these amazing hanging vine foliage that attracts every gaze with stunning colors. Vibrant plants for a tropical feel. Copy this amazing best plants behind the couch idea that will surely bring a tropical vibe to the space. Succulents in white pots. This amazing idea of glossy white planters full of succulents is an eye-catcher with its perfect colors of green and white. Large foliage plants. Cuttings and trailing plants on the table and a mix of large foliage plants behind the couch is a beautiful idea to cover up some space with style. Large planters behind the couch. Large planters with distinct and dark leaves are a timeless classic when it comes to a couch makeover. Palms and printed walls. Add palms and a printed wall for a beautiful yet effortless couch idea that screams creativity and loveliness. Line of snake plants. Beautiful snake plants behind the couch entice everyone with their vibrant textured leaves. Monstera, flowers, and hanging lights. Add a touch of natural beauty to any couch by surrounding it with monstera, white blooms, and dangling bulbs. Hanging pots and big-leaf plants. Pair hanging pots with amazing plants of big-leafed foliage and witness how your couch lights up. Fiddle-leaf fig in the corner and plant stand. Pair an amazing fiddle-leaf fig plant in the corner and pair it with a wooden planter on a metal plant stand. White planters near the window. Another one of the best plants behind the couch ideas is adorning the windowsill behind the couch with small white planters. Vases full of plants. Want to make an impression with little effort? Put some colorful vases on a table behind the couch with one of the best plants behind the couch idea. Plant wall. With lush foliage and bright green color, a plant wall behind the couch flanked by 2 vining plants is a wonderful option. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.